Hello and welcome. You are watching Freeology Revision. In today's video, we are looking at AQA Psychology, Paper 1. Topic 1, Attachment. In this video we are talking about animal studies of attachment. Goose man Lorenz. In the 1950s, research which used animal subjects to investigate early life experiences and the ability for organisms to form attachments contributed significantly to the field of developmental psychology. Two of the most well-known animal studies were conducted by Conrad Lorenz and Harry Harlow. Lorenz, 1935. Testing imprinting by taking a clutch of grey lag goose eggs and dividing them into two groups. The eggs in group 1 were left with their natural mother as a control. Meanwhile, the eggs in group 2 were placed in an incubator. When the incubator eggs hatched, the first living, moving thing they saw was Lorenz. He marked the two groups to distinguish them and then placed them together. Lorenz found that geese follow the first moving object they see, during a 12 to 17 hour critical period after hatching. This process is known as imprinting, and suggests that attachment is innate and programmed genetically. Imprinting has consequences, both for short-term survival, and in the longer term forming internal templates for later relationships, schemas. Imprinting occurs without any feeding taking place. If no attachment has developed within 32 hours, it's unlikely any attachment will ever develop. To ensure imprinting had occurred, Lorenz put all the goslings together under an upturned box and allowed them to mix. When the box was removed, the two groups separated and followed their respective mothers. Half to the goose, and half to Lorenz. They showed no recognition of their natural mother. Lorenz found imprinting was irreversible and long-lasting. One goose slept on his bed every night. Furthermore, imprinting affected mating preferences, sexual imprinting. Animals, especially birds, will choose to mate with the same kind of object upon which they were imprinted. He also observed that imprinting onto humans doesn't occur in some animal species, such as another type of bird called curlews. To remember, imprinting is the innate readiness to develop a strong bond with a mother which takes place during a specific time in development known as the critical period, probably the first few hours after birth or hatching. If it doesn't happen at this time, it will probably not happen.